Hello, people. A beautiful evening to everyone out there. Thank you for joining this broadcast this evening. This evening, like I promised you guys earlier today, and I was going to speak and discuss this Edo musician, Akobe, video he released. But before we trash Akobe's issue, let me quickly say this to Edo people. I'm sure you guys saw what happened in New York City, where our amiable governor joined Mr. President to attend a UN program. So the guys that are sharing the videos, you guys are just trying to score a very cheap political point, which everyone knows. That the people present there's no single Edo person there. The people that went to protest there, they went to protest against Showore's incarceration. So they didn't go there. Just that our governor walked into them while they were doing their protest. And one of them said, see Edo governor. Many of them don't even know him. So thank God AAC as a political party, they've released a press statement to apologize to our Wake and See governor. AAC Diaspora Network apologizes to Governor Obaseki to send delegation to meet Governor Obaseki in Edo State. That's a good one from AAC Diaspora Network. They've apologized on behalf of those deviant supporters. I'm sure you saw a lady there that was telling them, are you from Edo? The man is doing well. Go to Edo State. The man is performing. So for Edo people, ignore that video. It's only EPM and Mayake. That's the highest they can get. They are looking for negative content to spread against Mr. Governor because they see that the man is very, very popular on the streets. We that are in Benin here, we that are in town here, we know what is happening, and we know that Edo people are ready to resist them. So there is no amount of propaganda they are going to share against our governor that will work. It will not work. So I appreciate Edo people that have called to say, Abba, don't mind them, don't mind those guys, you know. Yes, let's address the issue of Wilson Akobe. Akoberian. Akobe. Akobe when I'm aware. This is your trap. Now I hold you so. This is your trap. You say that you be Akobe. Akobe means trap. And this trap is about to hook you. If you don't retrace your steps, Akobe. In case you don't know, we know you very well in this town. We know how you learn this music from our living legend, Akabama. And from there, our leader, a great leader of APC Nipobaha, Honorable Agbun Wenze, Novi Dwekeme, assisted you to where you are today. So, Akobe, you need to be very, very careful. One thing is to be popular. Another thing is to make sure that you don't use that popularity to destroy the system that made you. It is the soil of Edo land that made you. It's Edo people that supported you, that patronized your brand to where you are today. So mind what you do in your desperate bid to be popular or to be anything. Please, Akobe, mind what you say and mind what you do. In case you don't know, I was in South Africa in 2011, stroke 2012. I was there for 8 months. 8 good months. I was there for 8 months. So you can't tell me about South Africa. You cannot tell me. You don't know anything about South Africa. You only travel abroad to perform. Me, I travel abroad to look for money. So you can't tell me the difference between your country, Nigeria, your state, Edo State, Benin City, and other cities of the world. If you are a foreigner. Akoberian, you are a Benin man. Edo yak bitawe odema gala. Allah will be. Oh, what's akbe music? You are not the first. We have great musicians in this land. Like people like Sir Victor Waifo, Osayomore Joseph, Akabama, Advice Adewomagbe, and some young guys that are doing great. They are also on social media. Many of them are also very popular. But they don't use their platform. They don't use their voice. They don't use their popularity to spoil the image of their land. You guys keep using your brand. You keep using your music. You keep using your popularity to scare people away. Just because of some of the things that you people say, there are some persons that have money, that can afford ticket, that can afford to build a house in Benin. Because of the negative narrative that you people sell, and they say, I went though, I know, he yo wow. He yo wow, I went though, I know. You are supposed to be a peace advocate. You are supposed to be a peace ambassador. You are supposed to be preaching peace and encouraging our people to stay away from crime. Have you ever asked yourself what our brothers are doing in South Africa? Have you ever asked yourself what our brothers are doing in South Africa? What Nigerians, what many Edo people are doing in South Africa? Have you bothered to ask yourself? No, the only thing you are interested in, whenever they are around in December, maybe you dey play show, you dey wedding, they'll come spray you money. That's what you want. Or maybe you see any of them when make better money, you call use a sing. Then you call use a sing, they'll call it spray you, they'll call it dash money. That's what you are interested in. You are my neighbor. You are my neighbor in Amagba. You have not done a video. You've not even done audio to appreciate the governor, to say, Governor Baseku, is the governor not walking on your road? Akobe. Is the governor not walking on your road? Governor not do road to your house. Me and you, not be Amagba, me and you there. You know they see Caterpillar every day they walk. They tar road to your house. Are they not almost digging this place to the road to Ebu Amagba's house? Have you ever done a skit to appreciate the government? Say, what can say government? Why you guys keep using your voice, using your popularity to discredit the good work of the government, to discredit our land and scare our people away. For those that have not seen the video, let me play the video for you. Share this broadcast, very important. Because if we don't call Akoberian to order, the man will keep fooling himself. So we are there very careful. Popularity no muwegbena agbe yobo monaye gbese. Let me play the video for you guys. The one judge, you guys will be the judge today.
South Africa. Xenophobia boy. Almost say ogophobia do boy to. O deado. Wa mi moto pa me feel ye wo moto pensioner no. Tote je me udo ogo no. Ogophobia kaka fiamaphobia. Ojiphobia. Any ga boy. Uwu ne. Uwu South Africa man so do wu do. Now you know. If they beg you rest for South Africa, no come. Okay? We have a because so permit you when you me yo. Yeah, kawe by Yahoo. We have a Yahoo airport taxi do Yahoo. And the pay to divisional police. Stay for there or not come. Where? Solo, no come Osaru, no come Peter. Xenophobia kill you better pass sassiphobia. They go come. Come Mama or come or come the old or new GRA. Who we had become see, no come Italian. You don't know one who I will 12. It's okay. Why 12? It's okay. AK-47 or Wumoto, if you want to, I don't kill anybody, but no come die for sophobia, molucophobia.
Good. Now it's time to analyze the video. Let's start from the beginning. Akobe.
Karikita. If you don't know why it will do tamuwa. One in South Africa. Inga inyuwa wakwe. Wapaki ene vyoyoto. Ere. Xenophobia bue. Oma se ogophobia do bue beto.
Okay. Akobe. Where more terrorists in South Africa? Where more in South Africa? Do you have a brother? Do you have any relative in South Africa? Do you have your blood brothers in South Africa? Do you have close friends who are homeless today in South Africa? Where are you in South Africa? Are you aware that some policemen, some corrupt policemen, are now going from house to house in Johannesburg, Durban, Pretoria, to be busting Nigerians and collecting their cars? Are you aware that some Nigerians are now dodging? They can't even go to public places. They can't even go to malls. They can't go to Pick and Pay. They can't go to ShopRite to shop. They send cars. They send Uber drivers. Are you aware that some neighbors in their condos, in the different estates where they live, are not checking them and say, you talk to me anyhow. Next time I get my people, we kill you, we burn you. Akobe, you know watch the video where they burn human being. So they say they burn person for Africa better pass a day here. No be here you make your money. Before you go start to see people when they invite you to get Europe when you're going to make noise now. No be here you make your money. The person will buy you instrument. The big man will be and you know. Honorable Aiku is no be do okay. Not this instrument you do where. South Africa is not making go. Everyone not making it. Do you know how many people in Edo State today that you are going to their various houses to collect money? That gives you good money to perform show. Here make in South Africa. How can you tell people to die in South Africa instead of you to tell them to come back home? You are an advocate of crisis. You are an advocate of crisis. Who see? You are only after what you are benefiting and what you are gaining from these boys. Say maybe they want to do wedding, they call you, Akobe, you want them here, you are playing on TV. That is just your benefit. You don't care about them. And don't way Odema Gala ally will be. I was there before, and I told myself that I will not go back to that country. Ask your friends in South Africa, say, ask them where be Yovel, ask them where be Hebrew. Just those two areas, ask them, and they should tell you what Nigerians are going through there. We have Nigerians in South Africa, for like 25 years. They never come Nigeria. Some 15 years, some don't even have documents. Some are suffering. They are seriously, some are dying. So are you saying the owner of an airpiece that has spent over 400 million naira to bring our people back is stupid? He is not the one that is stupid. Maybe not you. So Akobe, it do a woman. We have a Europe where Europe. You make more money here in this town Oh, yeah, a boy, I will follow up. Yeah, a man will not make you go. A man will not make you go. So, Akobe, mind what you say. You are very popular and you have a voice. Mind what to do with your voice. Because when they make a mistake away, I won't take this video lightly. Emi lawyer me agwe gwa kere na o so ni eti me e so tie baba gba e di mo fi tie me so tie me opo we ni take easy o se emi ate wata oso na emi ate wata wa so na wa o ye ma ya de desperate be wepo so people dey abroad say another maker or die here. Why will you die overseas? No, make people they go to commit baba crime for abroad. Say imana make it na fuck up. No, they make them. You see people they go to do drugs. They do all sorts of crime for abroad because when they give them the impression say if they never make a man, they not come house. Akoberian, please use your voice to promote peace, to promote development, to woo investors. You can do a video and tell the world and the raw materials available here. Then you can also garnish it with joke. It will also go viral. You people should stop using your mouth to say negative things about our state. And this way you make money. The last time Pima went to see governor, when Manili governor, did you tell governor where Oredo? Did you tell the governor that police? Did you tell governor about police brutality? When I'm a governor where police can't get your boss here and door. When I'm a governor where Mr. Governor, please, you need to use your good office to call Edo police to order. They are harassing our boys. They are intimidating them. They search their phones. They beat them up. They go to Amapa to look for them. They bust them. If you are a young boy, you are driving a good car, police will not allow you to drive. He believe. Did you tell governor? When I'm a governor who said, well, Yasu will go. And why is how to spoil the image of your state all because you want to be popular. Let's continue.
Phobia do buebeto. O dedo. Wa mi moto pa me fini oye wo moto pensioner no. E to te je me udo ogo no. O phobia kaka fiama phobia. O yi phobia. Eni ga bue. Uwu ne. Uwu South Africa mass do wu edo.
Good. You said phobia. I come again. Tamame state of ba. Do my and real YouTube here. Eh? Let me teach you how to use YouTube. Akobe, please share this broadcast. I want Akobe to see this video. Go to YouTube and type flooding in Texas 2009. Go to YouTube. You type it. No when Texas here. Or type it Germany, any country type it. If not see climate change, Nigeria and don't rainforest. In case you don't know, make a record for 1 week. I may not roll a record for that 1 week. I must say I may not roll now that 5 minutes. Now let do it. Say rain will lock people out from morning to night. It doesn't drizzle because they pour. Oh, if you saw you see. Do my Akobedian. Where you first way ne Adamu ne yo highway abu why you 30 billion naira yahu why yahu if you want to work for them go and work for them stop hiding under comedy to spew rubbish Akobe don't show me the waro warrior yawina ne amada weyi have you used your voice to say Clemagba what did you do with our 30 billion you don't follow me you don't see when they say 30 billion. Do you know what's 30 billion? If they really utilize that 30 billion, where Myogo? You see drainage everywhere. Where we get Myogo? That you are going to utilize that. Do you know what's 30 billion? 30 billion can build a channel of a boyfriend, or Bekomafo, or be like 300 BB universities in this town. 30 billion. 30 million. Here, fear got out in the corner. I'm away digging a pori. I'm very ordinary. Here we go for. Have you used your voice to say, Emeroshona, Egi Mabedo, Igona wa mu 30 billion. Why ya? I want where you in the one way, when say no to governance. Who will be what? E canarego, iku, canarego. Now, billion you did. What will say, your honey popo, Estalio? I will not, my eye, when I saw your honey popo, who was in one way. We must see one kabama. In a period, the money going matali. We must walk about we must see one kabama. Where did fear we may see woman? Because that young boy is making it to not get there, go down, una intimidate, una lue. What power no faith? Ogophobia. Enemy phobia. David Dwekebe, Agwa my way. It's Dwekebe South Africa, make it Dwekebe Yewebo.
Come on, so don't go. Now you know. If they beg you wrestle for South Africa, no come. Okay? Where are we? Because it's so permitted to you. What have you? Yeah, Kawe by Yahoo.
Akobe. To put earring for ear, now achievement. Say you there abroad, you put earring for ear, now achievement. See where you talk, say you get gone. I know say police go get interest for this one.
Stay for solo as sassiphobia. They go, come. Come, Mama, or come, or come the old or new GROA. Who will become?
Can you imagine?
See, no come, Italian. You don't one who I be 12. It's okay. Why 12? It's okay. AK-47 or Wumoto, if you want to, I don't kill anybody, but no come. Die for
yes, please. This is the part I want Edo police to investigate. Akobeyan just said that he has AK-47 in his car. Say no, they keep people again. Make una listen again.
Moto, if you want to, I don't kill 12. It's okay. AK-47 or Wumoto, if you want to, I don't kill anybody, but no come. Die for sophobia, molucophobia, better pass. Don't worry. I just say you're going to tell you. Come. No, you come. Yeah.
You see how wicked is this Akobeyan? Are you people aware that the state government is working on Sesevio Road now? Are you people aware that massive reconstruction of that road is ongoing now? And they keep reporting negative things about their state. I don't know what you people gain. Where can be yet the way a governor will come and not lead to your house? Akobe. Where when a government will come where Obasaki where say Ukpomono no Sesevio we mentioning when a government will never true or say Ukponi na yebeli. O we more 50 billion Obasaki man lo efo. Wona we yebi am 30 billion we bank 30 billion ni amule. Where go? Akobe, next time I'm not gonna stay very soft with you like this, with this my analysis. You just need to wake up. You need to use your sense. And though, don't listen to all those lazy musicians. Then wake me what must say Akobe. When you see better sunglass, and no one see where you what must say, no one see yo befi yo yebe oh, wa ke mo se ye po akio. Everybody will see one more. Where you see one more? Where you see one more, Kobe? People like Kobe, if you want popular, some people come and say you be comedian and you want to allow. See, the fastest way to be popular, just carry your naked. Just say, hey, yeah, though, I get naked. Me go even share the video, you go popular overnight. You go popular, stop misinforming our people. Stop deceiving them, stop destroying them. Look at our people today, they'll say, oh, why ma, Igbo waredo, Irio wow. But if it's set, they'll come for ordinary ground. Look at many people in South Africa today now, they are crying because they have nothing to fall back to. Because dubious and evil message when people like they preach. You will never allow them come home while preaching wrong message in here. Don't turn daily property while scaring away. Or if something happen, they will come back and start doing rubbish because they have nothing to fall back to. Well, if the way you don't know why you don't receive, while we you wa, 50 by 100, can't you drop those kind of positive message? You say people don't go share them. Must you always do stupid things? Kena mwenyo, kena muk papa, kena mukae, kena monene, they know your wawa. Is that one, we ma beer? In one here. In one here. La do joke, ye joke. Mwe stati ma la ye joke. Mwe mna we la dia. Mwe bola we la dia. Lu ya joke. We la video we. Mwe la dia. Akobe o. Wa banwa. We get da ma share video we. Ave Insta blog. Ave today man mo video we. You will be popular overnight. Use yourself stay popular. Akobe. Ye boy are popular. Ye do you popular. Hey, Lueniedo, drop positive message because you have a voice, you have a name. If I saw drop a message now, go viral. But we are drawing must go because you have a name. My beauty way. So we are very continue around my brother. I don't lie you. Wawa drop me my wamu the other way. Since we were in the opposite queue, your way, we may be pano no manoya tien. We are walk by the other way here. Omudia wo hia mo government na na ari ha be am dia ni go no ya agwani a utala dia we ya re mi mene o se na agwani a we wa se ne na tipi wa arrest do wa tore ni nya wa go awari. You are foiling government effort to return our people. You know what it mean? Look me around, we go to cry when they say our people tell Libya when they bring them back. You say may they stay there. Now everybody that don't make South Africa. You know people this South Africa will not get house when they sleep under when they sleep back on people's office. Go to Hebrew, may go see Nigerians. You ask yourself, say, what are they still doing here? And now why not make me? Akobe. They will see from today. If you drop any yama message again for Facebook, I'll come for you. If you drop any message for Facebook, I will use my platform. I will still go live. I will still scatter that whatever you do. So please, do more xenophobia, abatophobia already. Me what you eat unumene how be ariyo. Ya we video we na do ya kwani a. Go to another video. Ni agere. Ovi gbo more millions of naira they have fiemande is optional. If you feel like going, there are some areas so that you suburb. South Africa, Igbineke Sodoni. Igbineke Sodo, suburb, Cape Town area. Igbineke Sodo, even any make any area. All those of some area, I mean, when you are target, when mommy motor just near Bonia, when mommy shops just near Lutia, when you are near frustrate, near you South Africa, near Gadiwa, near Megbe, ni buwe you turn there. Many of the way they say that they come. Some when you use cheap flights, they come. Free flight, they come. So get investment here to fall back to. But then get a lot like with the bay. Why you say why not going here? Why not going here? That was popular. Why going here? Hey, Guania, I could beg you, Guania. Hey, you can want monitor where any I could be a one way to a was and egg. Why are you going? Hey, Guania, why are you doing that? Oh, where you are. The music no man at Tiawe. Music no get down with music I shall work penny. Can I want you? Only give a penny you may. Only give a penny you way. It's not about money. It's not about say on our say on our I am a go further. No, give us meaningful songs. Who that's when one of man. Amen. Don't move your man. Amen. Mudiame yo, hey me, Mudiame oh, hey yo ma. No, those songs. These are meaningful songs that you were doing at the early stage of your musical career. But can we say we are really go near European $50 in way? Yeah, and you are going to go when you are in one of my bar. Kewerebe, Akobe, Kewerebe, Maradoro, your way. We are the video of why Marovia, Merovia. But if you walk while you are called, you are tired, you are delaying away. Who make us for several who belly, La, police will explain. We are the one protest with Time. Abatila, Galloway protest against the police phobia, sassiphobia. Galloway protest, me hallelujah. Ave police ni war area to ni babala lion we give my way protest against them. Ave police ne be ma ko legi ile do fi moto we do na. We la re ni mu we ya protest me hallelujah. Get protest against custom. We même les custom you will ekelo lo wa. U mai ho u fi oya me. Egbe government o wa na meti. We même le safety we u pe supply o di na. We make music na we Akobe work me one ogi rovie custom, ogi rovie hero safety, ogi rovie police. Ugwa. When I say oh, you are trying to scare people away. December day na liya be yari wa. Ni ado lele ave 18 we December. Ni ado lele shia gogwe ugwe why you we ku ni ani agari wa. Ni ari go ni akuigo, ye ikuigo ne ye muigo ne ye mo de no feel we ku. Onu gwa lo. Akobe, you need to start being an advocate of good governance, advocate of peace, advocate of proper information. Hey, see all this ugly narrative, this dirty narrative. Why am I doria? Was stop it? Was stop it? Why you know what doyi? Look at the commissioner for arts and culture. The guys crack his brain every day to woo people to come and participate in this national sports festival. Eh? The guy is good boy every day, cracking his brain, wooing people to come. Why you why you cool man dore? Why am any why have man the magari you so people will come and say how about every mawage very me why ata ya me we oko ware do ya wa no do magina ta ware yi na do we your family were do what woman have here we bo we na you no we ya tale to do magba na la neighbor makio Akobe neighbor maki by rob yo ma only me rob yo ma. But Eddie, please, pride way. Okay, whenever I lose respect to wherever, whenever I lose ball in the Stanley, you know what I the career boy him go away. That guy was almost becoming something else. The guy was almost becoming a force. I book here. What take the boy a career boy him. Again now, woman see. If you will be, you got the big tally rubbish with social media. Come home. Go do music, do better video, do meaningful music, not bad at you no more again. And I mean rubbish the way I tell now too popular. Talking why you share video? Why say they get Kobe? Why say they get Boga? No love what ya. I mean a bomb my member. Do popular. Mwe bola we la dia, mwe la dia na video we. Look at that boy ma show. Lawo look wo na mo social media look at that mo ma share do you are popular you go popular why am money doria. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.